Hi, Jeff here from Keyvest Property Management. Owners often ask me why use a property management company. The answer is simple. A good property management company has the expertise and experience to handle all aspects of your rental property. For example, a good property management company handles the marketing and advertising of your property. They use various marketing and advertising strategies to attract tenants, ensuring that your property is always occupied. Then there's the tenant screening. A good property management company has a strict tenant screening process to ensure that the tenants are reliable and trustworthy. Another aspect is rent collection. They ensure that the rent is collected on time and in full and have procedures in place for when a tenant does not pay. Another area is maintenance and repairs. Property management companies should have a network of reliable contractors and vendors who can perform maintenance and repairs on any of your properties. And we can't forget legal knowledge. They should have knowledge of rental and tenant laws and, of course, the dreaded evictions. And finally, there's financial management. They should be handling all financial aspects of your rental property, including accounting, budgeting, and taxes. All this means is time saving. We manage your property while you have more time for family, friends, or to make more income. So if you have any questions on property management, do not hesitate to contact me at Keyvest. Until next time, have a great day.